Hey guys, this is Alan. As you all know, there are two types of Toastmasters clubs. One is community club and the other is college clubs. As we are part of Toastmasters VIT, we only knew about college clubs properly. But after seeing community clubs work in Chennai, Bangalore, and in other places, a small group of us thought that we wanted a community club in Vellore as well. So after a lot of hard work, we founded Velo Toastmasters Club. And right now you can see that after more than 50 sessions, we are going strong. All the very best to Velo Toastmasters Club for their future endeavors. Thank you.
Hey guys, so my name is Melvin, and you guys might not know me. I was the area director at that time when Velo Toastmasters Club started. Um, Talking about Velo Toastmasters, it was a long time dream for all of us. I think it was a dream for over 7 years before I came that they wanted to start a club in Vellore since we had so many of the VIT clubs and everything there. There was a support base, but there was, as in, people tried and failed, and we wanted to make it happen. And somehow we got a lot of support from the then district director and the division director at that time, Reena, as the district director who was Suganti, and Reena GS who was the division director, and we were able to form a really good team that worked really hard, especially with the help of a lot of the faculties in VIT like Shiva sir and Jala sir and everyone. And we were able to start this club. And it was a lot of challenges, to be honest. There was a lot of challenges involved in starting this club, but seeing the club stand on its own feet and do a really good job right now makes me really happy. And I wish all the best for Velo Toastmasters. Thank you.
When someone asks me what was it like to start Velo Toastmasters Club, I don't really have an answer. Because in the first few months and probably a year after as well, it was quite a challenge. Worrying about getting members, a venue for the club, whether the club would really sustain in a longer period of time. These are questions that were always there, and to be honest, we didn't really have an answer for many of these questions. But looking at it now, I think it was a good thing. The club's doing well, members are joining, and it's slowly becoming the influence we wanted it to be to help people become better speakers and leaders. And if there's one thing that I would say is a takeaway for me and for anyone in general, it's that you will never really know the results of something unless you try for yourself. And that is something that's really important. What I'm trying to say here is VTC, keep it up. You're doing well, and I'm sure you're going to do much better in the future.
Hello, my name is Steve Johnson, and I was the Charter Vice President Education and the President after that, back when we started Velo Toastmasters Club. And that was a very interesting time because we had a lot of people who said that it could never be done, and we had a lot of financial issues to take over too. But we went through, we talked to the community of the law who told us that they would love a Toastmasters club, and so we decided we just had to keep going. It was a little hard in the beginning, but then we got some amazing members who were so promising, and I believe our judgment was right because they kept on carrying the club. And now I am so happy to see where the club has reached, where they're so independent and working so well to develop the communication leadership skills, not only of themselves but of the people around them and the whole of Vellore as well. I am proud and I'm excited to see where the club keeps going in the future.
In Vellore Toastmasters Club, the biggest challenge we faced during our initial days was reaching out to the people and letting them know how Toastmasters could help them improve their leadership and communication skills. Since many people were unaware about what Toastmasters actually is, we faced difficulties in bringing guests for the sessions and also members to join the club. There were a lot of sessions which we have had to conduct with a very low attendance. However, even though we faced these difficulties, I'm glad we didn't give up. Now, when I see the attendance we have for the sessions and the way in which the members are actively involved, I feel really happy. The credit for this should go to all the members who worked really hard during the tough times, and I hope the club continues to keep growing and reach greater heights. And I wish them all the very best.
Hi there, everyone. I am Jerome, and for those of you who don't know me, I am one of the past presidents of VTC. I was with the club since the very beginning, and for about 2 years, a little more than 2 years, I believe. And I can tell you, those 2 years were literally the best years in my life. People used to tell me learning is fun, and I used to be very skeptical about that statement till I joined VTC. And I can tell you, I learned in VTC that learning is fun. Some of you might say, yeah, easy for you to say. But no, it wasn't easy. At first, when people told me, there's this club that you can join and become a better speaker, I was very skeptical. What can a club do? How can a club make me a better leader, a better speaker? But 2 years down the line, I can tell you, it has made me who I am today. And I know, I can surely tell you, I have become a much better speaker and I have become a good leader. VTC is a place of positivity. It is a place where you learn to become a good, amazing public speaker. It is a place where you have fun. And it is a place where you grow into a leader. So what are you waiting for? For those of you who are having that doubt, there's nothing to think twice. Here is your opportunity to become an amazing speaker and a leader. Trust me, you will never regret this decision ever in your life, because VTC is family, and what is family without love? And you will always love this club. Happy Toastmastering.
Anything great in this world often comes from a dream or a vision seen by a select few people. The most difficult part, I feel, about making this dream a reality is convincing other people to believe in this vision, to ignite that passion in them, and to work together towards that common goal. I think this is a problem we at VTC felt since the inception of the club. But through all of our collective labors and a little bit of luck, we found the current members of VTC. Looking at the club now, I can definitely say the club and its members are destined for greatness, and I can't wait to see the heights to which this club can go.